What, Kaylee? Is that bonk for you or for me? Bonks for everyone. Always for me. Oh. You know. Why can't y'all bonk? You know? Three bonks, yes, three bonks. Are you inviting us to bonk? You know, thinking back about what I said, yes, I guess I was. Well, not what I meant, but you know, can I marry? No, no. No, no. I'm not proposing, alright? There was no proposal. There was no proposal either way. I can't believe you've done this. And or pasta. I know, right? What a deal. What a concept. Alright. Looking all waggling and saying, oh, dang. Alright, let me swap the... I realized also that I'm in the wrong... There we go. There we go, we're back in food and drink. Alright, so let's... I mean, I guess it worked out for just chatting for a while. I think they would be okay with that. I mean, they might be. You don't know. We need to take care of some other ingredients here. We're going to need to cut up some garlic. I need to prep some toaster. Almost at 5 years. What the heck? What the heck? Thank you so much, Toast. I hope you're doing well. What the heck's going on? That's odd. Hold on, I'm checking something real quick. Having crabs for you. Ooh, alright. I keep forgetting it's freaking Easter. On Sunday. Also, I need suggestions for tomorrow's dish. So if you have any suggestions for tomorrow's dish, please, by all means, pop it in chat. I'm definitely taking suggestions for tomorrow. Best to offer something new to you. You don't need to doubt that I'll be true to you.